Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease camera view in Blender. So first we need to do is click on this one arrow. After that we need to change bookmark to view, and here you can easily control your view. I recommend you to check focal length. If you will increase it, you will see this effect, but if you will decrease this number, you will get this one effect. Of course, for example, you can increase clip start, it will get effects something like that. Of course, everything depends on your preferences, and you can increase or decrease end values, so it will be working something like that. Of course, if you would like to edit settings of camera, you need to select camera. And now you should go to data, object data properties. And now you can close this window and click here on toggle the camera view. Then you can increase or decrease focal length, or you can increase or decrease clip start. It will look like that. So everything depends on your preferences. And that's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.